Smile, hello everyone. Today we'll learn to heal vertigo by Sujok. And let me tell you, the results of vertigo by Sujok are excellent. And we have done many treatments by that, and it's very, very easy. So let's see how you can do it. For vertigo, three things are responsible. First is cervical. So in Sujok, in my previous video also I have shown the cervical points are here. From first joint of the thumb to second joint of the thumb. From here to here. So this is cervical points. C1, C7 and all 7 vertebrae are equally placed here. Ear points are on the yin-yang line. One here near the nail where the nail ends and one on the other side here. And they will be extremely painful. At least one of the point will be extremely painful. And one pituitary. This is the pituitary point. So these points have to be taken for vertigo. First, we will do a lot of good ring massage of the thumb and more of the yin-yang line and yang side. From bottom to top. And of every finger. First joint and tip. This area has to be massaged nicely. This is how you will do of every finger. After good massage, look for the painful points of cervical. In case you find any point extremely painful, mark it. Otherwise, you can put a chain of peppercorn and put it here like this. Make a chain of peppercorn so that all the vertebrae are covered and put it from first joint to second joint like this. All vertebrae of cervical will be covered and press it nicely. And now we have to put 3 points, that is 2 of ears and 1 pituitary. So we will be taking 2 ear points and 1 pituitary like this and put it peppercorn. So place it here, adjust it, put the pituitary point and 1 will come here. You have to adjust so that the points are coming at the right place. And tell the patient to keep pressing it nicely from time to time. And this will give good relief to your vertigo. Same way you can do it in the finger system, any finger you can take. First joint, center. So 1 seed will come here and 2 ear points same way, the way we had done in thumb and 1 pituitary. So 1 seed here, 2, 3 and 4 seeds of peppercorn, and for vertigo all points will be taken. So you can take 1 thumb and 1 finger of any hand. In feet also we can take these points again on big toe from first joint to second joint. These are cervical points and ear points are on the yin-yang line. And this is pituitary point. So same thing on any toe also. This is pituitary. On the yin-yang line we have ear points near the nail and cervical first joint just 1 dot, the way it was in the finger. So you can take feet points also. You can take any foot, feet points also at times. And again I'm saying, keep changing your hands and points so that your skin gets rest. Smile hands and smile bye to all of you.